Hello. Okay, so nakita nyo sa screen yung rate of my microbe growth, and of course yung microbe growth, microbes classified siya into different group according to the temperature, their optimal temperature range. Okay, so we have psychrophiles, psychotrope, mesophiles, thermophiles, and hyperthermophiles. So most of the pathogenic bacteria na natin ng humans ay mesophiles. And given this information, like study, like we can apply different ways to control microorganism. And number one, that is to adjust the temperature. So given the idea that most mesophile cannot tolerate more than 50 degrees Celsius, that's why we apply uh, high temperature to kill mesophilic bacteria. But take note, meron silang, yung ibang bacteria, merong heat resistant spores, and yung ibang mga protozoan also, they are heat resistant thermophile. Though yung mga ibang hyperthermophile and thermophiles, they do not cause diseases sa human, pero may onting mangilan-ngilan na like yung mga spores at yung mga ibang protozoan like yung brain-eating amoeba na pwedeng mag-cause ng illnesses to humans. That's why we further increase the temperature to 120 degree Celsius to completely sterilize all the spore, virus, etc. na pwede nating mapatay. Okay? So, yun yung idea behind heat for microbial control. And take note, yung low temperature, they do not actually kill bacteria. However, they kind of slow down the metabolism of the bacteria. But inside naman ng mga bahay nyo, we don't have fridge na less than 80 degrees Celsius or yun. So technically like around 4 degrees lang yan or around 0. So hindi talaga napapatay yung mga bacteria na nasa food natin by putting our food inside the fridge. Okay, so the most efficient way to kill bacteria is by, of course, high temperature. Okay, so we have ways to control microorganism, and we have different kind of sterilization method. We have physical and chemical sterilization. So for physical, of course, we have heat, radiation, and filtration. Itutok ko yung heat and filtration. And under heat, we have dry and moist heat, sterilization, and of course, we also have disinfection. So example of disinfection, we have pasteurization, water heating, and of course, boiling. And for chemical sterilization technique, of course, gumagamit tayo ng gas and liquids. And for gas, we have formaldehyde and ethylene oxide. And for liquids, alam ko familiar kayo dito, meron kayong mga halogens like yung bromine and chlorine, and alcohol, of course, isopropanol, ethanol. We also have phenols and aldehydes. Okay. So see you sa next discussion.